Hello everyone and welcome back to Furland's Cryptopia, where you learn about crypto. Today, I'm going to help you set up different networks on the MetaMask. I hope you are ready. Now first, I want you to, let's see, we have all the networks. We're going to start with Fantom. We're going to add Fantom to our MetaMask. So first, we can look at our MetaMask and you got to do a little login action here. Hope you didn't see my password, but if you did, just make sure you keep my money in my wallet, even though there's no money in this wallet. So I'm gonna say, got it, blah, blah, blah. Remember in the last video, I set up my set it and forget it wallet, and it is still here. And right at the top of the wallet, you see Ethereum Mainnet, right? So we're gonna click on that. And you see that's the only network on here. With MetaMask, you have to set up the different networks to make it be able to interact with different decentralized exchanges and yada, yada, yada. So we see here it says add network, and we have all the information that we need to add. We have all the slots we need to add information to add our network. But, obviously you don't see Fantom anywhere here. So what you got to do is open a new tab and go to setup, type in, I should say, setup Fantom on MetaMask if it figures it out for you. And I've done this before, so you can see I have something highlighted here, something I've already used. You go to the Fantom, I guess it was docs.fantom.foundation, and you see all the stuff you need to do. So you see right here, this is a very simple video. So this is very simple stuff. You can do your own, but you came to this video, I'm glad you did. And shoot, I forgot. People always say, like and subscribe if you like the video, and if you want to subscribe. If you dislike it, you gotta make a comment because YouTube disabled the dislikes. Anyway, we see here all the information we need. So where it says network name, I'm gonna type in, I could have copied and pasted that, but since I can type, I'm going to type it. And you see where it says copy this link address. We're gonna put in the RPC URL here where it says new RPC URL. I'm gonna paste that there. And chain ID is 250. The Fantom symbol is FTM. And we are going to copy the Fantom scan page, which is where you can go check your transactions. And I know it says it's optional, but I keep it in there because I'm not sure if you don't add that in there, you'll be able to, after you make a transaction, you can click on a link and it'll show you whether it's successful processing or if it failed. And you want to have that in there so you can make sure your transactions are to be able to see your transactions. All right. So I'm gonna double check and make sure you got Fantom Opera. The RPC is the right address. We copied that. Chain ID 250. FTM is the Fantom symbol. The scan is there, and we are going to click save because that is correct. Okay. So now you got a Fantom network set up. You see Fantom Opera here, but I like to look at it when I click on my wallet, where I told you all last video to keep it in your upper right-hand corner, pinned to your Google Chrome browser. So you see right now at the top, we are in a Fantom Opera network. We have set up Fantom, okay? Very simple, right? Very, very simple. I'm just showing you how to set up different networks. In another video, I'll show you how to buy stuff on a Fantom network or Avalanche or whatnot and go to these different decentralized exchanges. But for now, we're keeping the video very simple for beginners, all right? So we want to next set up another network again, because there are multiple networks, right? So we did Fantom, which is like one of my favorites. But next, I want you to click Add Network again. Now we got two networks. You see Ethereum Mainnet and Fantom Opera. Now we need another network. What will it be next? I might have said this already, but we are going to do Avalanche. So let's type in again. Set up Avalanche. See, Google is smart, right? A little bit too smart sometimes. Anyway, how do I set up? This is the Avalanche website. Support.avax.network. See, I'm quick because I know this stuff, you just scroll down, you see they give you the information to do, but these, like right here, this is all the information you need. We need to set it up on an Avalanche. Avalanche has like different, I guess, main nets. The best way I can explain it is, but the main net is the C chain. So I can explain this other stuff in another video, but I'm just going to keep it simple right now. But we're going to set up the Avalanche C chain network on your wallet, okay? So we have already opened this up. So I'm just gonna type this in, Avalanche, and I put in, this is how I do it, C-Chain Network. Because I want to make sure I'm on a C-Chain, because sometimes you can send stuff to the wrong Avalanche address and you will lose your money forever, and you don't want that to happen, okay? So the new RPC URL, we're gonna copy that, and then we're going to paste this, just so we make sure we get it right the first time. The chain ID for Fantom, since that's 5 numbers, I'm gonna copy that too, because I'll end up typing that the wrong way. Now we know the Avalanche symbol. Well, we know now that it's AVAX, so AVAX, and then the blockchain URL is snowtrace. Copy link address, and we're gonna paste that. We're gonna double check it just to make sure, guys. So we had the Avalanche network. I called it the C chain because that's what it is. If you look at the new RPCL, and that C right here represents the C chain. If I'm wrong, then I'll admit it later. But from what I know, that represents the C chain, which makes sense, right? We have that correct. The number is correct because we copied and pasted that, AVAX, and snowtrace. So, very simple, right? Click Save. You have successfully created the Avalanche C chain on your wallet. And let's go look. I know this is like the big wallet thing right here. Exit out of that. But you can click on your MetaMask. And you see now when you click up the top, you have 3 mainnets set up. Ethereum mainnet, which is what just comes, comes standard with the MetaMask. You have Avalanche now, you have Fantom. When I first started using MetaMask, I hated it. I didn't understand it. I was like, I can't even use Binance with it. I can't use any other network with it. And I didn't really understand what I know now, because over time you get, more wiser or something with the stuff you're pursuing or trying to learn. But then, you start figuring out, you have to add these different, mainnets. So right now, what I want you to do is I want you, speaking of Binance, what I just mentioned, we're gonna add the Binance Smart Chain network. So we're gonna click Add Network again, and we're gonna type in how to set up Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask, okay? Again, I've been here before. So I'm gonna click Connecting MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. We have here all the information we need. Here it is, finally. Wait. Yes, this is the network name. This is the main net, and there's a test net here. I've never done this. I'm not even sure what the test net is, but I'm not sure how it will interact with your wallet, but I know the main net is what we need, and this is what I use, and this is how I get my money through Binance Smart Chain if I need to. So, this is Binance Smart Chain. Binance has 2 coins. Like their main coin, the BNB coin, is BEP2, and their Smart Chain coin is BEP20. And I'll explain that some other time, because that'll make this video long, and I'm just trying to keep it simple. I don't even know I brought that up, but anyway, I brought it up, and now you heard it. So when you get more deep into crypto, you say, "Oh, I remember Ferlin said that." Anyway, we are going to set network name. I'm just going to type in Binance Smart Chain and the new RPC URL. I'm going to copy. They made it a little more difficult. I'm going to copy that. That's the data seed thingy. Chain ID. What's the chain ID? 56. The symbol is BNB. The blockchain, or the block explorer URL, is the BSC scan. Like, again, these are the places you go to check your whether your transaction. Once you get your transaction hash or hashtag, I guess it is. Not a hashtag, but a transaction ID. You'll be able to type it in on these sites and see, oh, my stuff went through. I can follow what I've been doing. I'm gonna click save, and once again, you have created another network on your wallet. I'm so proud of you. But no, seriously, this is extremely simple stuff, It's actually so simple, I'm wondering if I'm doing something wrong in this video. But anyway, so we have Ethereum mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche Network, Fantom Opera. And yes, I was about to say, which other one did I want to do today? We are going to do, what's next? Somebody guess. Remember Michael Scotty just kept going, and it was like for too long, like in the first season. And it was just like, just stop, man, just stop. Anyway, we are going to do the Polygon network, all right? Polygon, or MATIC. I'm not sure if they're calling it, well, Polygon, the ticker is MATIC, but Polygon. So now we're gonna type in how to set up Polygon. Been here before, guys. I told you already been here before. So setting up MetaMask on Polygon Network. We're gonna roll through here and we are going to find the information we need. We've already been through. Okay, so I remember this. So Polygon has several like different RPC URLs. I'm not even sure RPC stands for, so it's something I gotta look up. But anyway, we're gonna get this going. Oops, see, I'm already behind. So we'll go back to our MetaMask, we'll go to up top, and then we're gonna click Add Network, and then we're just gonna call Polygon. I'm gonna say Polygon Mainnet, all right? And then we are gonna, you could choose either of these, but I always choose the first one because it's right there. So I'm gonna copy that and put it in my new RPC URL. You don't have to use all of them, it's either or. The chain ID is 137. The currency symbol is MATIC. And this is gonna be Polyscan, right? Or polygonscan.com. And we are pasting that in, and voila. We're gonna double check again, Polygon Mainnet. We got that right. Everything's in the right order, because if you put it in the wrong order, I'm not sure. I've always done it right, but I'm assuming that if you don't do it right, your money's gonna get lost, or maybe it just won't work. But you don't want to send your money to something that ain't working, right? So I mean, you don't want to screw up like that. So you have successfully created the Polygon mainnet, and the cool thing about Polygon, they got their symbol right there. Everything else didn't show their symbol, right? All right, so now go back to the top and click on the little oval shaped tab. And now you see you have Ethereum mainnet, Polygon mainnet, you have Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche C-Chain Network, you have Fantom Opera. I'm trying to think, is there another one that I want to show you guys? There may be another, I can't even think right now. But these are the ones I interact with on a regular basis. And if there is something else you do want to set up, you're just going to go through the same process here and do the same steps. So you are going to be successful if you do it the way that I showed you. Anyway, we have these set up. So, you know, you have to make sure your wallet, like if you're interacting with the Polygon network, you have to be on Polygon. You know, if you're interacting with Ethereum, you have to be on Ethereum. If you're interacting with Binance, you got to be on Binance. So you can just click through these things and see how it works. You know, just keep clicking through them. It's that easy. In the MetaMask, your wallet address stays the same, but you have to just switch between these mainnets to see certain coins you're sending. Like if you're sending the Fantom coin to your Fantom wallet, you know, and then you're sitting on Ethereum, you're not going to see it. You're like, where's my coins? I'm missing them. Where are they? And just make sure you click on Fantom. You know, so yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. So I'm gonna go back to Ethereum, click out of there, and oops. Yeah, so you see, yeah, $0 worth of Ethereum. That's it. I can't think of anything else to tell you all in here, but I'm glad you stuck around this long, and I hope this video was very helpful to you. In the next video I do, I briefly mentioned passive income in my first video, but I want to show you how to buy one of the passive incomes called Hector DAO. And I will show you how to buy that next video. You'll need the Fantom Network set up on your wallet. So I hope this video was a video that you watched to learn how to do that. And then when we go and I'll show you how the long process of buying Hector, it'll be a little bit easier because you already have this set up. But anyway, I am grateful that you watched this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, make a comment. Like I said, YouTube disabled the dislike button. And if you want to get more content like this, just click subscribe and tell me what you want to see next. But until that time, I guess I will catch you guys on a flippity flip. And I'll see you next time.